Okay, we have a Haas vertical machining center, model VF0, serial number 18766. Machine was new in 1999. It has a Haas control. The control has quick code and rigid tapping, and the machine is also fourth axis ready. Travels are 20 inches in the X, 16 in the Y, 20 in the Z. You have a 15 horsepower Cat 40 spindle. That's your Z, your Y, and your X. All the axes sound pretty nice. Machine again has a 7,500 RPM spindle. You have a 20 ATC automatic tool changer, and the table size, by the way, is 26 by 14. Simulating a tool change, simulating another. We're going to run the spindle. $1,700 RPM. Going up. 3,500. That's 6,000 RPM. So, I mean, you've seen the machine run up to 6,000 RPM. You've seen the axes move. You've seen a tool change. It has programmable coolant nozzle. And hey, you have seen our video. Thank you.